Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this video, we'll go through the steps needed to embed your Gradelink calendar, which is the internal calendar on your Gradelink SIS, and embed it on your website. In this case, we will replace the styled calendar on the website, which is managed on the back end of the site, and we're going to replace it with the Gradelink SIS calendar. So the first step is, of course, log into your website. Head over to Gradelink and log in as an administrator. Then click on Settings. Click on Calendar. And in the section where it says Public Calendar, embed the following code on your website. Copy all of the code here. This is an iframe, so it's going to pull everything directly into the site. And then head over to your website. And on the page that you wish to embed the calendar, in this case we're going to put it on the My STVPS page, which is the parent resource page. We're going to go ahead and remove this default calendar here. And before we remove it, I'm going to go ahead and just save a copy of it by clicking on the Save module to the library. So we'll call it Web Calendar. Just in case we ever want to use that again, click Save Calendar. And we'll then go ahead and remove it. Next, we're going to click on the gray plus button below this button, and we're going to add a code module. Click on the code module, and then we're going to paste in the iframe text here that we have copied from Gradelink websites. So here we go. We're then going to click on the purple button with 3 horizontal white dots to open up the global menu. Click on the green Save menu to save changes, and we'll be all set. If you're not satisfied with maybe the calendar's getting a bit cut off, you can always adjust the code so that the height is a little bit taller. So let's say we can say 800 for the height, and we can now see the last day of the month fully. Click on the green check mark. Again, click on the green Save button to publish changes, and now we're all set to go. Another thing you could do is add some padding above this module, just so we don't have any intersection with other elements on the page. You could also make the adjustment so that the width is 100%, and that way on mobile you won't see a really squashed calendar. Alright, now that we've saved changes, we can exit the Visual Builder, and here we have it. This is the embedded Gradelink calendar on the school website. That's all there is to it. Do keep in mind that the Gradelink calendar does not have any kind of sync ability, so it is actually only embeddable from the school Gradelink website. Alright, please reach out to Gradelink website support with any additional questions.